Hello everyone, welcome back to Driver's High. Today, we're diving into a first look at the all-new 2026 Audi Q4 Sportback, an electric SUV that's set to elevate Audi's lineup with its sleek styling, robust performance, and cutting-edge tech. Imagine rolling up in a Sportback that takes Audi's signature single-frame grille and sharpens every line. The 2026 Q4 Sportback features slimmer matrix LED, headlights, and a reimagined front fascia that feels both modern and timeless. Its gently sloping roofline not only delivers that sporty silhouette we love, but also improves aerodynamics for better efficiency on the road. Underneath this sporty exterior, Audi is rumored to pack a refined dual-motor all-wheel drive system. Early estimates point to about 335 horsepower and a 0-60 mph sprint in roughly 5.5 seconds, enough to make your morning commute feel like a track day. And with up to 175 kW DC fast charging capability, you'll be back on the road in no time, topping up from 10 to 80% in under 30 minutes. Slide inside, and you'll find Audi's latest digital cockpit. A large infotainment touchscreen sits front and center, complete with intuitive touch controls and seamless wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. Above, an available augmented reality head-up display projects navigation cues directly onto your windshield, so you never take your eyes off the road. Premium materials, think soft touch surfaces, aluminum inlays, and customizable ambient lighting create a cabin that's both luxurious and inviting. Comfort isn't sacrificed for style. Ergonomically designed seats with multiple adjustment options keep you supported on long drives, while the enhanced climate control system ensures everyone stays cozy no matter the weather. And thanks to clever packaging, you'll enjoy ample cargo space behind the rear seats, perfect for weekend gear or groceries. So when can you get behind the wheel? Industry insiders predict an early 2026 launch, likely in the first quarter of the year. Pricing is expected to land between $55,000 and $65,000, positioning the Q4 Sportback as a strong contender in the luxury electric SUV market. That means you get Audi prestige and innovation without breaking the bank. In summary, the 2026 Audi Q4 Sportback promises to blend head-turning design, spirited performance, and state-of-the-art technology into one compelling package. If you're on the hunt for a stylish, tech-forward EV that doesn't compromise on fun, keep your eyes on this model. Thanks for watching Driver's High. Hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into the world's most exciting cars.